friends, today I'm doing unboxing of a camera that I've got lately. This is the box. Canon 6D Mark II. I got it on Bestbuy. I got it on my card and still have time to pay. I wanted this kind because I don't have full frame and I have many lenses from Canon that I collected throughout the years, and I only had crop sensor camera, DSLR, but many lenses that I had, they would be better for full frame because full frame has bigger sensor and doesn't crop image, so you can film from, for example, from closer distance, and for lenses that are like 85mm it's hard to do pictures with because you have to be really far away from camera to have full body in the crop sensor, and also 50mm and even 30mm, they are all closer. So I wanted camera that will do some normal length, and it will be like in other like mirrorless cameras, but I think I like features of Canon 6D, that's why I've got it. And I was eyeing it from long time actually. It has 26 megapixels, 45 cross type points AF, frames 6.5 per second, dual pixel AF, which is autofocus, very angle LCD, Wi-Fi, NFC. I also wanted camera that have that NFC feature because I already have other, which is SL2 Canon, and it has NFC, and I have a remote to that function, and then I don't have to buy a new one. This one has also GPS, but I don't know how it will works. So let's open. In the box, at first we see the book about camera, how to use it. Here. Then Canon registration card, so I will register, and here another guarantee card, limited warranty for US and Canada. So yeah, and then the box opens, and here are the things that you need where you film, battery and charger. So I open it. Charger looks like this. See? It's funny looking charger. I thought it would have cable, but it says only wall plug. Then battery. This camera has 1200 pictures supposedly you can make from one battery, so that's good because I think my previous Canon SL2 has only 600. that it has body, and here is the strap. Let's put this inside. Here we have strap. Got this package and this thing. Anti-dusting stuff like this. So it looks like this. Now I will change one. So yeah, that's now how it looks. Body. I thought it's heavier, but I was surprised it's really lightweight. I thought it would be much heavier. And so here it has mic input. Here you can put straps, HDMI input with micro HDMI, I think, with some other input like USB. Here is something, what is it? Some other input, but I don't know what. I have to read that book. And then it has the dials here with a button. Then here it's a button that you can screw less. I mean, have to screw it. Then you press it to unscrew it. Here shutter button. Here aperture, I don't know. Here is card slot. And here is start and stop button. Here's some other button like zoom, AF. Here is zoom, I think. Here is quick menu. Here you can watch what you did. Lock. I don't know what this is for. Maybe this. Here is the trash. And then it's opening like so. And you have swivel. The same kind as in our DSLRs that I'm used to. Hot shoe. This doesn't have flashlight here. As supposedly here is GPS mode. GPS model. So yeah. Now I guess I would put battery inside like this. I have to find, actually wait. So I have some battery, I mean card. I will put it here like so. Here is LCD also. Then I will put battery. Maybe that's why light goes without battery. looks like this. So I put it inside in here, because this way, this way, I guess this way, yes, I guess so. Okay, and now it's blinking, that's a good sign. Now I have to put lens. I will put this lens. So you see how I look now. I'm on 17 to 40 millimeters Canon AF lens, which is 77 diameter, and it's 1 to 4L. So I will put it into this one, and I'm now on 17, so we will see if it will show more overview. Okay, bye. So yeah, now I am switched to the Canon. Wow, view is much more, as you can see. You see my bed, part of this. Interesting. And monitor here. Okay, that's much. So I zoom it a little bit. That's nice. I still have to figure out a little bit about it. Where are controls? What is this? So now I am in that mode, tracking, face tracking. And it works fine. And I wonder to see if this would be easy to vlog even, because I'm in the frame. And where to change? So I did change to 60 frames per second, and also I put in option to have image stabilizer on, so that you can even get enhanced image stabilizer. So when it's a little bit zoomed in. So yeah, that's view from my camera. I maybe would switch lens, or maybe I would do it in different video to see how different lenses look in this camera, because this is wide angle lens that can be zoomed in. I think this lens gives me a little bit of a distortion of the face. So yeah, I can't wait to do some pictures and videos. And this is a video on my other lens, which is Sigma 30 millimeters. So I see that it's nice lens. It has nice bouquet. For vlogging maybe less, but because it's very heavy, but I think this lens weighs as much as the camera. But I bought it for pictures. So yeah, that's my 35 Sigma 35 1.4. Okay, bye. What's up, guys? I'm using now Canon 6D Mark II. I wanna see how it's in low light. So it's like this. So I'm in low light. Come on, focus. Oh, it's heavy. Because the lens is really heavy. But if I would have small lens and some Joby, maybe I could vlog with it. Because it has some image stabilization. When you walk, it doesn't move around so much. We will see. Now I'm on different lens, which is more, more wide lens, like 17 to 40. I'm checking how it would be vlogging. Still heavy, but if I vlog just small pieces with it and it's too bulky and too big and too heavy. Unless you have strong hands, which I don't. This is nice picture. It shows it's made of those small things, and it was made by some Salomoni. Very nice. Father of my boyfriend. See? This is picture painting. Very nice. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when you upload. See you in the next one. Bye.